Hi guys, so today is getting cold and windy out and stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and harvest this parsley plant, and I thought maybe I'd film it so you could see how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is cut the leaves back and take them in and hang them upside down to dry out. So basically what you want to do is you want to cut the plant back to here, to the base, but I'm going to leave it in the ground because it's supposed to come back up for a second year. And that's all I'm going to do is snip off all of the pretty stems, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie these up and hang them upside down, just like that. Just cutting it down. See what I got so far. Keep going here. And then I'll gather them up. And then I'll go ahead and hang them. You can also dehydrate them. I might try that too, since I have a lot of them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and gather them. And then I'll take them in the house and tie them up. So here's what I got, like a bunch. And I'm just going to throw them in this bag because I wasn't quite prepared for it, but I am going to do it because I felt like doing it today. And we'll see if it comes back next year like it's supposed to. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now. And I have all the parsley stems in the hair. And then I'll take them up and tie them up. I'll show you that too. Okay guys, so I'm starting to lay them out sort of like this into piles, just to try to get them to where I can go ahead and, string them. Here's how much more I got. That's quite a lot of parsley. But probably once it dries out, it won't look that big anymore. Okay, so basically I have this ball of thread here. And I'm going to try to go ahead and make this as long as I can. I got to find my scissors. Oh, here we are. Try to make this pretty long so it can hang. See, that's about as long as I'm going for. And then I'm just going to take it and give it a tie. A little bit backwards for me. Us lefties got to be in our right minds. All right. Whoop. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this with everyone. So I triple knotted it. Let's try one more. I'll film one more. And then I'm just going to keep doing this the whole way down. And then get more out and repeat the process. This seems like it could use a little bit more. So I'll just take it from another plant here. I never grew parsley before, so this is fun for me. Maybe you all did, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, see how I did that? And then I can just take them up. Let's see, and then just give them a hang like that. Whoop. Okay, so we have these hooks in our hallway, and I thought that would be a perfect place to put them. So I got 2 bunches there and 1 here, that's 3. And then on this side of the hallway, I got another Focus. I got the other one hanging. These perfect little hooks here going up from the basement. So it's a nice, cool, dry place. Wish me luck. Okay, now this is what I have left over that I thought I'd try and dehydrate in my little air fryer. So let's go and try that out. Okay guys, so now I went ahead and rinsed these, but they say use a salad spinner. I don't have one of those. Well, I do, but I don't. So I dried them. Now we're going to go ahead and set the air fryer.
Yeah, for reference.
Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. I'm not quite sure how many to put in, but I'll go ahead and fill it up, and we'll set the air fryer and see what happens. Maybe I'll just do small batches. So I'll do that much and leave this much. That's about half. Okay, now I got my air fryer here, so let's see. Air fryer. $360 degrees for let's see, 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll go with 3 minutes and see what happens. All right, guys. So 3 minutes went off. I'm gonna open this up. We'll see what we got. Okay, so some of it's crispy and some of it's soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 more minute. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and give it another minute at 360 degrees. Let's try it for 1 more minute and see how that turns out. Okay guys, let's see what we got here. Oh, that's good now, I think so. Some of the stems are still a little not crunchy, but the rest of it is. So we're going to go ahead with it. Put it in here. See what we can do. Just crunch it all up. Like that. Oh, is that nice? Let's get the stems out.
That must be how they do it when they sell it in the store.
Yeah, probably on a bigger level.
Yeah, robots for hands. Maybe 100 years or so.
Sieve this through. See how it looks. I got those other ones hanging to dry, and I thought, oh, let's try this method and see which method I like the best. Yeah, this is really interesting and fun. Just keep doing that. And here's what we got. Ooh, that looks perfect. I'm going to taste a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's delicious. So flavorful.
What do you use? Parsley flakes mostly? Soups or something?
Soups, and I like them in spaghetti sauce.
Oh, sauce, right.
You can even put some on your salad if you want. Hey, you want to try this?
Imagine having a whole herb garden and dehydrating everything and what you'd save.
Just take a little bit out and try it.
Yeah.
It's a little different than the parsley that you're buying in the store. It doesn't have the flavor like this does.
Which I don't usually just
I know.
eat it out of there as part of a.
I know, but it's a delicious
But always make
delicious
the
taste. Look at that, guys. I mean,
that and
look.
the basil made the garden fragrant. Mm. Work in it.
I know.
Mm.
Give that a try. What do you think?
Yep, tastes like what I'd buy.
All right.
Yeah, even better. For sure.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully you liked this video. It was fun to make. And I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of those over there and enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of your day too. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for more videos, and love yourself as well as loving others, or love others as well as loving yourself. Treat someone kind today. Do something to make a change in the world.
Can I do a PS?
Sure.
If you guys decide to try this, let us know in the comments how it worked out for y'all.
All right, guys, you heard it from him. Let us know if you try it and how you like it and what your experiences was. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you. I had some old parsley. I dumped it out, so I using this here. And I got about a half of a jar. So now I'll have fresh parsley for a little while. And then the ones that's hanging downstairs, well, when that's done drying out, I will get some more.